at the KitPlus Show in Media City, and I'm on the digital garage stand talking to Nick from Symply. Hi Nick, how you doing?
Very well, thanks. Yourself?
Yeah, very good. Now, WORKSPACE, I believe, was launched very recently at NAB.
Just back at NAB when you saw it there. So yes, one of the first showings in the UK. The WORKSPACE XE is our brand new product. It's shared storage for small work groups, small to medium work groups. We've got 8 hard drives in it, 25 gig interface at the back for sharing, but also we have the ability to add a very high performance disk cache of NVMe. Up to 60 terabytes of NVMe can go in here to provide very high performance for DPX and other such workflows.
So what, 2 or 3 months after it's launched now, what type of people are showing an interest in this?
So it's mainly small work groups in facilities, anywhere from a handful of users up to sort of 20 users that are looking for a really simple way to share media between themselves, edit. We're aiming this at customers that started off with shared storage with those usual suspects in the NAS market, and they kind of work well for 2 or 3 users. But when they go beyond that, you know, the workflow sort of breaks down, the performance doesn't scale up to more users, and that's where we recommend that people start looking at this kind of product.
When people use it, what's the first thing they say wow about? What's so special about it?
I think it's the ease of use. We're designed to get up and running within 10 minutes of unboxing. Everything's pre-configured.
Nice.
As opposed to being, although we call it a NAS, it's not really a NAS, it's a SAN in a box. And this means that we've got a block level driver. So you're actually making a connection over an Ethernet at a block level. So your Mac or Windows or Linux workstation thinks it's a locally attached drive. And that gives you more performance than a regular SMB or an FS share that you get from many NASs.
And are there different levels of investment as far as buying this, or is it what you see is what you get?
Absolutely. So our entry level is a 48 terabyte with hard drives, and that can scale up to 172 terabytes of capacity. Wow. And as I said, we also have the option to add that high performance NVMe cache as well, which is an upgrade option. As standard, it's 2 25 gig Ethernet ports, which will work backwards with 10 gig. But we can also add in more Ethernet connectivity, so we can add in another 4 ports, so you can have a total of 6 workstations directly connected to it at the moment.
So give us an idea of roughly the budget you have for a starter.
Starting price in the UK is about £12,500 to get started in the product, and that includes 3 years worth of support and maintenance.
Wow, okay. Available now?
Available to order now, yeah.
Brilliant. Nick, thank you very much indeed.
Great.
Do check out the website for more information and check out everything else we're doing here at Media City on our YouTube channel. You can find that at KitPlus TV.